I'm Andrew Iacobelli. I'm a personal injury lawyer with Iacobelli Law Firm. And today I'd like to talk to you about the importance of reporting your symptoms and injuries to doctors and seeking treatment following an injury from a car accident. So while it may seem obvious that following a serious accident, a person's going to seek out medical treatment and the advice of physicians, even in serious accidents and injuries, after time, sometimes people don't go see their doctor as often, even though they're continuing to have symptoms. And that could be for a number of reasons. But usually it's in situations where the doctor is already well apprised of their injuries and symptoms and has essentially set forward a treatment regimen that might be prescription medications, it might be over-the-counter medications, it might be just directions to limit activities and sort of manage your symptoms conservatively. When you're advancing a claim for injuries, failure to continue to see your doctor on a regular basis, as long as you're having symptoms, can be viewed and manipulated by the insurance companies and their lawyers in such a way to make the argument or make the case that you must not really be hurt. That so long as you're not seeing the doctor on a regular basis, that must be evidence that during that period of time, you simply didn't have any symptoms or ongoing injuries. And obviously, in many cases, that's just ridiculous and not the case. The person could be living with daily pain, chronic pain, physical or emotional, or a combination of those such symptoms. But for an insurance company, the absence of records or the absence of entries in your doctor's records for a period of time to them is evidence that they will use against you, evidence to say that you really weren't having any symptoms or any significant symptoms during that period of time. In fact, insurance companies and their lawyers have a name for this. They call it gaps in treatment. And the longer those gaps are in treatment, the more they will argue that your injury is not significant. So, important tip, if you've been involved in an accident and you have an injury and you're still feeling symptoms, don't let the insurance company pretend or argue that you're not feeling well, that you're not having symptoms. Don't let the insurance company make the argument that you're not having symptoms when you actually are. Do yourself a favor. Continue to see your treating healthcare providers on a regular basis and continue to report the symptoms. If your doctor knows you're still having trouble, there's also a better chance and better opportunity that your doctor can do something to help you. So that's all I want to say on that. Important tip, as long as you're having symptoms, visit your healthcare provider. Thank you for listening. I'm sure you have more questions if you've recently been injured in a car accident or other type of injury accident. Feel free to give us a call. We're available to take your calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And if it's something we can help you with, we're happy to schedule a free consultation with a personal injury lawyer. Thanks for listening.